Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2009 Suzuki Gladius 650. This bike has 12,200 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Tires on this bike appear to be in good shape, look like they've got good miles left on them. Don't really see any type of tip over or lay down damage. Got a few scuffs and scratches on it from being ridden. It's got an M4 pipe on it, as well as a fender eliminator. Rear tire as well looks to be in really good shape. Looks like there's good life left in that. Alright, show you the miles now. 12,142 is what's on it. Gotta set the camera down here. This 2009 Suzuki Gladius will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.